Let's learn letters with fun music. We'll dance, we'll sing, we'll shout hooray! Come along, it's time to play. G is for giraffes are tall and bright, stretching his neck to a wonderful height. Munch, munch on the leaves so green, the tallest animal you've ever seen. H is for horse who gallops so fast, running and jumping, having a blast. Clippity clop, hear the sound, trotting, trotting all around me. I is for iguana, green and cool, climbing trees is his golden rule. Sunning himself on a rock so high, blink, blink, he closes his eyes. A is for jaguar, strong and fast, running through the jungle so quick to dash. Pounce, pounce, watch him go, leap so high and land down low. J for jaguar, strong and fast, roaring through the jungle so quick to dash. Pounce, pounce, watch him go, leap so high and land down low. K is for kangaroo, jumping so high, boing, boing, up to the sky. Hop, hop, count with me, 1, 2, 3. L is for lion, mighty and proud, roaring strong and roaring loud. Roar, can you try? Give a big lion roar, oh my. Learn so much, hooray, hooray. Letters G-H, I made our day. Hedgehogs, iguanas, just for you. We've learned so much, hooray, hooray. J-K-L, made our day. Jaguar, kangaroo, lion, just for